Okay, so I've decided to start giving myself a challenge. And this time I decided I'm not going to make a recipe. I'm not going to do any of that. I'm just going to simply spin the wheel of fate and see what type of dish I can come up with. There's three of these. This is the type of dish. This is the protein I have to use. And this is how much money I get to spend. All right, let's spin the wheel. Okay, so it's gotta be a sandwich. Which really lends itself well to these. And I have to use beef. And let's see how much money I get to spend. Keep going, keep going, keep going. And 30 bucks. 30 bucks and under. All right, well, hey, it was fate, and for a first challenge, I think I got off pretty easy. Okay, so this is what I decided to buy. Got about 2 pounds of ground beef there, some burger buns. I think you already know where we're going. Some baby arugula, jar of steak sauce, bologna, and of course, American cheese. As you can tell, I'm going to be making a fried bologna burger. And just to keep everyone honest, there is the actual receipt, and I had about $1.30 left to spare. Now, in this challenge, I am also allowed a small staple pantry of staple ingredients. So, that's what I decided to make. All right, let's get into this. First thing we got to do is we got to make our steak sauce mayo. All right, first thing we do is we got to get about a cup of mayo in the bowl. I just eyeballed it. Like I said, mayo's part of the pantry ingredients. Then we want about a tablespoon or two of the steak sauce. Okay, make it 3. Screw it. Then, of course, a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. Actually, a lot of pepper. And then just start stirring this. Realize the spoon ain't working exactly the greatest. Grab a whisk, whisk it up, and then place it in the fridge for at least an hour. All right, let's move on. All right, let's make the burger patties. What we have here is a 1/3 pound ball of 80/20. And people always ask me, how do I keep my burgers so damn thin on the grill? Or so damn even? Well, here's how you do it. Put that ball and smash it between 2 plates. Press down, and that's in between 2 pieces of parchment paper. Lift it up, kind of work on the sides a little bit, and that's it. That's the secret to my burgers. I seasoned them with salt and pepper and then grilled them till they were done to perfection. Also melted some of that American cheese on top. All right, next step. Okay, and I figured while the burgers rest, take about a minute and fry up some bologna halves. This is going to kind of act as our bacon. All right, as you can see, got our nicely toasted buns here. And gonna add some of that steak sauce mayo to the bottom bun. And then add some arugula. Then place our patty down with the nicely melted cheese. Then add some strips or slices of bologna. I'm not really sure what they are. All I know is fried bologna is delicious. Then you want to add a little bit of ketchup. Again, part of the small staple pantry I'm allowed to use in these challenges. I probably should actually finalize a list of what's in and out of that damn pantry. And then some yellow mustard. And that's really it. So the first of Dave's challenges, a bologna burger. Done.